Welcome back mga ka-YouTubers. Welcome to YouTuBERT Channel. This is my second educational vlog. As part of the subject, Introduction to ICT or the Information Communication Technology, Specialization 2. This is my second reaction video on what I've learned about the CSS tutorial. CSS is the language we use to style a web page. When we say CSS, it stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Cascading Style Sheets describe how hypertext markup language elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. Cascading Style Sheet saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages at all once. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. So why use CSS or the cascading style sheets? CSS used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, layout, variations, display for different devices, and screen sizes. CSS or the cascading style sheets solve a big problem. The HTML or the hypertext markup language was never intended to contain tags for formatting a web page. HTML or the hypertext markup language was created to describe the content of a web page, like the tag H1, this is a heading. The P tag, this is a paragraph. When tags like font and color attributes were added to the HTML specification, it started a nightmare for web developers. Development of large websites where fonts and color information were added to every single page became long, expensive process. To solve this problem, the World Wide Web Consortium or the WWC created the cascading style sheets. CSS removed the style formatting from the HTML page. If you don't know what HTML is, I suggest that you read more about HTML tutorials. CSS or the cascading style sheets saves a lot of works. The style definitions are normally saved in external CSS files. With an external style sheets file, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. So awesome. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new from me, and thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be able to be updated of all the videos I uploaded every day. Bye bye.